Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Undertale Fallen Down on Piano Roblox. First, find a suitable virtual piano game on the Roblox platform. Many games offer a full 88-key keyboard, perfect for this song. Next, take a moment to understand the key mapping. Often, the bottom row of your computer keyboard corresponds to the white keys. Adjust your in-game volume to a comfortable level so you can clearly hear each note as you play. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth learning experience. Let's dive into the notes for Fallen Down. The song primarily uses notes from the C major scale, which are C, D, E, F, G, A, and B. The main melody often starts around middle C. For the opening, you'll want to find C, then move to G, and then E. Practice these three notes together to get the feel of the first phrase. The left hand will often play simple chords like C major or G major to support the melody. Timing is key to making Fallen Down sound beautiful. The song has a relatively slow and expressive tempo, often around 70 to 80 beats per minute. Try counting 1, 2, 3, 4 for each measure to keep a consistent rhythm. Many notes are held for 2 or 4 beats, while others are quicker, lasting only 1 beat. Focus on the sustained notes to give the melody its characteristic emotional depth. Gradually increase your speed as you become more comfortable. Consistent practice is vital for mastering Fallen Down. Dedicate about 15 to 20 minutes each day to playing through the song. Many Roblox piano games allow you to save your progress or even record your performances. Reviewing these recordings can highlight areas where your timing or note accuracy might need a little extra attention. Don't be afraid to experiment with different virtual pianos within Roblox. Some offer unique sound profiles that might inspire your playing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.